So we back on Trying to Cook. I'm your host, Sean. We got.
Wait a minute. What you doing?
That's it.
Okay.
That's gonna be in the video.
I'll take it.
we got Shamar here, and we got his mom in the background. I don't know what they. Yeah. All right. So today we're gonna be making. I think it's called what? White peach.
Yeah, white peach mango.
Yeah, white peach mango smoothie. You want to read off the ingredients? Yeah.
I know I'm lying. So, the ingredients. 1 small white peach, pitted. We ain't got no white peaches, so we're going to use
The bag peaches.
that work. We got half cup frozen mango chunks.
Bam, we got that.
Also, great value. Hemp seeds.
Healthy.
Cardamom, which we don't have.
So I'll replace that with the ground cinnamon. Make it sweet.
And then milk.
We gotta rock the silk almond. The silk almond.
We sure ain't got no ice.
Dang. It's not cold, bro.
I mean, you couldn't get some cups and put them in the fridge.
No, you should have went and got you some cups of ice cream.
I mean, that's how you gonna
Yeah. I mean, the milk was cold, but you know. But anyways, we gonna get to Miskin. That's Miss.
What you call me?
We gonna make the smoothie, y'all. All right, welcome back to Trying to Cook. We doing the sit down. We finna try this smoothie. Excuse the flies.
Cause somebody let them in.
My leg.
Come on, pull me up.
Remember, guys, if I die, y'all tell my story.
Man.
I
If
was
you
lovely.
die,
She's old. If I die, tell my story.
if this ain't right, I'm gonna have to tell the truth today.
Woo! I'm kind of nervous.
Smell a little healthy.
Count of 3.
Tomorrow got his yet.
Oh, dang, we done.
I thought you had it, man.
Smell a little healthy, y'all.
Smell too healthy for my taste.
Alright, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I taste a lot of mango.
It's gonna be enough for me.
It's enough for me.
What did I just drink? Like a smoothie? You cannot mess up a smoothie. Like, what is this taste? I'm confused. Like, it's just a smoothie.
Okay. It tastes like if Simpsons Crunch and mango was pushed in with it.
I was like, was it supposed to taste like cinnamon? What?
Got the cinnamon.
You got to pipe down on the cinnamon. It's too strong. Like, I thought I was doing
Right.
the cinnamon challenge.
Wait a minute. Maybe it was me. Maybe.
Try one more time.
It's even worse. the second time, I don't say cinnamon no more. I say straight up milk.
Yeah, it's enough for me. It's thumbs down.
It's thumbs down for me too.
Oh man, it's the first thumb down. Oh my god.
What do we do? What can we do to perfect it? Like,
Lessing down the cinnamon. More fruit.
It was plenty of
I think
fruit.
the fruit was fine. I believe it's really the cinnamon. The hemp seeds, maybe you put too much of it in there, maybe.
Probably the almond milk.
I love almond milk, so it wouldn't be that.
But
I
it tastes
taste-
with it.
Probably the cinnamon.
It's a lot of cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's the cinnamon.
There's something was in my mouth. Like,
That's from the peach. That's hairs from the fruit. That's the hair from the fruit. I can say it right now. When I drank it, the bottom of my thing had hair.
you want to try it?
Nah, she said she don't kill herself either.
Yeah, so 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
We should have got that.
You gotta modify.
I told you.
You have to modify this here because it took me down.
Smell good though.
It smells real healthy, but
So,
taste-wise-
Bath and Body Works. You want a body scrub? This is the thing for you.
not the body
That'd be
scrub.
good. Well, guys, this is the first failure. I'm pretty bummed out.
Shaboy, you still trying it?
I'm like, it's probably just me, but no.
Wanna try it?
I keep changing flavors every time I taste it again.
It's different. I can say that.
Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah, we'll try it again another day because this ain't it today.
I'm pulling it down the scene.
Yeah. No,
This is behind the scenes, y'all.
behind the scenes it's burning it. Like I want to see it on the fire, on the concrete, on fire.
Go fertilize my grass.
The
Please.
The ant skin.
The ant will probably die from this too.
Think about it. You wanna taste it?
How it taste? Good or bad?
Oh,
We got 4 back.
My grandbaby said thumbs down.
I'm gonna tell you.
You don't like it, Lenny?
oh man.
You gave him a
Yeah, we gonna have to close out.
Okay, bye, y'all.
Thank you for y'all appreciation. We just gonna keep dropping somewhat bangers.
Yeah.
But that's it. What y'all wanna say?
Bye.
If y'all want to taste it, it's called the Grim Reaper. Okay. If y'all want somebody you don't like it no more.
It could be good, just a little modification. That's it.
I told now some
Bye, y'all.
measurements. I'm gonna put y'all stuff in the
Yeah,
Video.
help us out.
we out.